Most people get this wrong when their Swagbucks gift card doesn't work. They immediately assume the gift card is invalid, the code is broken, or they've lost their rewards forever. But here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases, gift card issues are caused by activation delays, redemption mistakes, account problems, or retailer-specific requirements that can often be fixed quickly. In this video, I'll show you the most common reasons a Swagbucks gift card may not be working in 2026 and the steps you should take to solve the problem. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you should do is carefully review the gift card details. Many gift cards have specific redemption instructions, supported regions, or retailer requirements. Before assuming there's an issue, make sure you're following the redemption process exactly as provided. This is where most people fail. They enter the code incorrectly. A single incorrect character can prevent successful redemption. Always double-check the code and copy it directly when possible, instead of typing it manually. For example, Jake quickly enters his gift card code and accidentally mistakes a letter for a number. The redemption fails. Alex carefully copies the code, verifies each character, and successfully redeems it on the first attempt. That simple habit saves a lot of frustration. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not every gift card becomes available instantly. Some rewards may require processing time before they're fully activated. If you've recently redeemed your Swagbucks points, it's worth checking whether the gift card has completed the delivery and activation process. But here's the problem. Many users skip the retailer instructions. Some gift cards must be redeemed through a specific website, app, or account. Trying to use the code in the wrong location can make it appear as though the gift card isn't working when it's actually being used incorrectly. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to troubleshoot almost every gift card issue. Before that, check whether the gift card has any restrictions related to country, region, expiration dates, or eligible purchases. These details are often overlooked. Now here's the easiest troubleshooting method. Review the gift card instructions, verify the code, confirm activation status, and test the code exactly where the retailer specifies. If everything appears correct and the issue continues, contact the retailer or Swagbucks support with your gift card information and proof of redemption. Providing clear details helps the support team investigate more efficiently. Let's quickly recap. Verify the gift card code. Review all redemption instructions. Check for activation delays. Confirm retailer requirements. Look for regional restrictions. And contact support if the problem continues. Following these steps can help resolve most Swagbucks gift card issues in 2026. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more Swagbucks tutorials and rewards platform tips, and let me know in the comments what type of gift card issue you're experiencing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.